Quando you naked?
If you want to know, then you have to come under it. You love this chocolate biscuit. Yes, hug it, baby, hug it. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. Happy Friday. I am up. Today is the last day of my little rest break that I decided to take from working out and from all that Easter break fun. I decided to just rest and not work out and just enjoy the little relaxation. Though it feels weird not to work out, but my body needed the rest. I feel fresh, I feel rejuvenated, I feel rested. So I'm enjoying that last day. This last day, which is today, though I am not working out, make sure you guys get your workout in. I'm actually in the kitchen right now making breakfast. And can you tell what breakfast is? The same old usual, eggs and plantain. But today I decided that I feel for bread, so I'm having just one slice of a white bread, and I'm gonna smother some butter on that and enjoy all that goodness. Anyway, you guys, baby's off to work. Tyler has been a good sport as usual. He let mama rest and he just chill on his tablet, and you don't even know that he's in the house. Let me see if I can find him to let you guys say hi. Look, say good morning, Faves.
Yes.
How are you? What are you doing?
I'm watching a tablet.
Okay. All right, sweet boy, watch your tablet. He's just there chilling and watching his tablet. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna get breakfast in and get on with my wonderful day. So have a good day, stay motivated, stay blessed, stay loved, stay amazing. I'll catch you guys in a bit. Whether it's nap time or not nap time, Tyler wants you to read a book to him, and he wants you to read off that book and read another book and read another book. The truth is, I don't mind, but then we have stuff to do around here, man. Jeez, putting him to bed sometimes just makes me saying amen. I'm getting a little me time. Jeez. Ooh. That's a little break that you get sometimes when you have kids. Just when they're napping and there's silence in the house and you can just breathe without hearing mama. Hey y'all. Hey guys. Hey faves.
Hi guys.
My hair look trashy, you guys. Baby's home, as you guys can see, and we are on the road. Tyler is somewhere in the back chilling. Say hi, guys. Say hi, Fibs. Okay, you're showing me that you have Oreo in your mouth. Okay, baby, when you finish. You guys, the sun is going straight in my face.
Guys.
Oh, you're finished. Good boy. There we go. We're on the road actually. We're going to run some afternoon errands real quick. The sun is still up and the day is looking beautiful, so we're just heading out to run these errands. So let's go. Juice is which one again? Where is Tyler juice? I think it's over there. I'm going to get Tyler juice. I think one is not in the fridge as yet, so you decide. Okay. So Tyler juice should be somewhere. Oops, think I passed it. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, it's here. Oh, one. They don't have the big packs. Two. So we decided to come to this supermarket that we shopped last week because the prices here are so good and it's similar prices to our other supermarket. So we decided to check it out for a second week in a row. So let's see how it goes today. Alright, water. Water, 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 water. Damn, they don't have my baby bottle? No, not good. You love this chocolate biscuit. Yes, hug it, baby, hug it. All right, what chocolate milk for Tyler is here. These are squished and crushed. This one. There we go. They're picking up milk. Yes, boo boo. Milk goes in there. Okay, I'm looking for ketchup. Voila. Pick up, what's it named, cordon bleu?
Cat.
What you telling them?
Supermarket.
You're in the supermarket and what else? See there, you're vlogging.
Vlogging.
Yes, let's look for lotion now, please.
And
Who doesn't love some macaroons, y'all?
Pois chocolat.
Pois chocolat? Pear chocolate? You want cake? Look at all this. Ooh, this look nice.
That's real macaron. That's what we put in.
Shut up. This one look good too. Tyler, come on, let's go. All this cheese, y'all. Cheese heaven. Cheese.
cheese. Just the best. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, at the best. Boom, boom, boom. Up to and down. Look at the best. Open at the shop. Open at shop. Look at the best.
Ryder réalise qu'ils se sont trompés d'endroit en plantant Mati. Le sol y est bien trop fertile avec trop peu d'insectes de ce côté-ci. Elle a besoin de manger des insectes. Elle lui a amené des insectes. Et en ouvrant sa mâchoire, elle libérerait Galneta. Un plan germe.
Is off the bed, and today has been full of so much unexpected events. I didn't get to cook, so that's dinner tonight. Pizza, without apologies. So the baby's preparing the pizza, and I have some names going on in the oven. So that's dinner. I'm so looking forward to it.
Hi guys, so it's the end of the day. Why you like this? You cold or you naked?
If you want to know, then you have to come under it.
I don't want to know.
Okay. I'm gonna make you wanna know. Why are you speechless? Why are you speechless? I'm forever dirty talking to you.
Well.
What? I mash up your mind, honey? You can't focus.
Yeah, you can't focus. I have to dig my head to trying to find a little brain remains. Well, that's the end of the day, so I don't need any brain. I'm just going to sleep.
Why are they just in your head?
Very
So
tired.
like
Because I'm hiding this. I'm ashamed of me tonight.
Anyway.
That's the beginning of the competition.
Yes, you guys, if you guys into sports, the Commonwealth Games starts. So Jamaica have their first medal. Woo, woo.
Yeah, but don't think that I have this because of the competition. It's just that I have a lot of short to sleep. So I just once it's new, I put it on top of the. So I always like, I don't put the same one, and this one was on top
Honey,
of
just
the night.
admit that you love supporting my country.
It wasn't.
Just get it.
It was on
with.
top of the.
And what a night to put it on. Anyway, we won't be debating your choice of shirt on the perfect night.
How we ending the vlog with the French expression, not Jamaican expression. So the French expression for today is avoir les cheveux en pétard. Avoir les cheveux en pétard means to have the hair in pétard. Pétard is a firecraft, the thing that's firecraft.
Fire rocket.
Well, it's like the little things like
There
this.
is no such thing as firecraft.
Okay, fire rocket. Little things like this,
Fire
you light
rocket.
it and it boom, mean pooh, like Dragon Ball Z. It's not done and yet all. It's like when you wake up and if your hair going all of the way like this, but it's not intentional. You say like to have the hair like a pétard, or to comb your hair like a pétard. Understand? Yeah, like you right now, your hair is like a pétard.
Really, honey?
Give this video a thumbs up if hair is like a pétard. Oh, say the French expression. Avoir les cheveux en pétard.
Avoir les cheveux en pétard.
Les cheveux.
Les cheveux en pétard.
Right.
Okay, so when your hair is not comb and it's just out and look crazy, in Jamaica we say your head look like junk or job breaks in a it. You know what's a jankro?
Janko, no.
Yes. It have a specific name, but I can't remember what the name is.
Okay.
It's a bird that doesn't have any feather on the head.
Okay.
That flies and it's
huge.
It's like, it look like an eagle, but it's not.
Look like an eagle. I see what is this.
Dead meat.
Okay, sure.
Spoil meat.
Okay.
You see what it is?
Yes.
Okay. When they land on the ground, they land sudden and kind of flop their wings like this.
Okay.
So when you hear one to come in Jamaica, we said, your head look like junk or jaw breaks in a hit. You're stupid.
Say again.
Say it.
I can't say Janko Babbenit.
Jankro.
Janko.
Jaw breaks.
Jabrex.
In a hit. Junk or jaw breaks in your head.
Your hair looks like Babbex in the heat.
So you need to comb it when
So you need
somebody
to comb
said
it. Hey, girl, your hair looks like Janko Junk in the heat. That's funny.
You're in India. Just for the record. You have 0 cents. Anyway, you guys, Tela's off the bed, and as you can see, I'm going to do that right now. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and comment if you're new to our channel, and you all please hit that notification bell because it's very important. Sometimes we upload and you honestly won't know unless your notification bell is on. So go ahead and do that, and if you already do it, undo it and do it again if you're not getting our notification when we upload. Anyway, you guys, comment down below, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up with the fandom, and
We'll see you guys tomorrow.